Frustrated with the CUDA Sparse 64 DLL crash ruining your 3D rendering? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll ensure your hardware and engine are communicating perfectly. To start the walkthrough for CUDA Sparse 64, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This DLL file is a CUDA library for sparse matrix operations. It provides optimized routines for handling matrices where most elements are zero, common in complex physics and data modeling on PC. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This error usually indicates a missing graphics runtime component affecting the CUDA Sparse 6410 DLL. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy DirectX-related DLLs and update your graphics drivers if the file depends on OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the CUDA Sparse 64 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. A quick warning, many sites offering the CUDA Sparse 6410 DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing the CUDA Sparse 64 related system data. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved the CUDA Sparse 64 error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.